Hello students, I am Brijendra Kumar Patel, PGT Chemistry. Today I am here for the discussion for class 12, the third unit, that is electrochemistry. Students, in electrochemistry today's topic is Nernst equation. So student, before starting Nernst equation, in my previous video we have discussed about the electrode potential. So their standard electrode potential we were calculated there. So in standard electrode potential, the conditions should be standard. For example, the concentration, it should be 1 molar, temperature, it should be 298 Kelvin, pressure should be 1 bar. So if the cell or if the half cell, it is constructed under a standard condition, then it is its electrode potential is a standard electrode potential. But practically it is very difficult to prepare the cell under these conditions, under standard conditions. So what will be the effect of concentration and temperature on the standard electrode potential? Means if we increase concentration, there is a question, will the standard electrode potential or electrode potential of cell, will it decrease or increase? What will be the effect of temperature on a standard electrode potential? So this relation or this effect was studied by the scientist Nernst. Then he proposed an equation which is known as Nernst equation. So ultimately, what is Nernst equation? This equation was given by Nernst scientist, and he studied the effect of temperature and concentration of solution on electrode potential of cell. So after various experiments, he gave an equation which is known as Nernst equation. So before starting Nernst equation, let's take for a reduction reaction, Mn plus, it gains n electrons and form M. For example, if we talk about zinc, then the ion of zinc is Zn2 plus, it gains 2 electrons and forms Zn. So this is a reduction reaction. For such type of reduction reactions where Zn, it's an element, it can be denoted as M, n plus, n is number of charges, so the number of electrons, they are equal to number of charges and they will form M. So for this common reaction, Nernst gave equation that is E Mn plus oblique M. This is a reduction reaction, and this E is actually electrode potential. This was equal to the standard electrode potential for same reaction minus RT by NF natural logarithm M by Mn plus. So see here, this E naught and this E, this is standard electrode potential. This one is fixed because standard conditions are fixed. So what is the effect of concentration and temperature? So see, in this equation, this is a temperature and this one is a concentration of solution. So from this equation, it is very clear that if you increase concentration, then this total value will decrease. If this total value decreases, this total value will decrease, and if this total value decreases, then the answer will increase. So what is the effect of change in concentration? If you increase concentration, electrode potential will also increase. Means we can generate more electricity by increasing concentration. So it's a simple relation, and the relation is concentration, it is directly electrode potential, it is directly proportional to concentration. You increase concentration, electrode potential will also increase. Second factor is temperature. So what will be the effect of temperature? Very clear. If you increase temperature, this total value will increase. If this total value increases, then this total value will decrease. So it's the inverse relation. This electrode potential, it is inversely proportional to temperature. So this was the relation, okay, given by Nernst equation. Now we will solve this equation further. Here natural logarithm, first we will convert it into log. So there is a relation, and the relation is very simple relation. Natural logarithm, it is equal to 2.303 log base 10. So ultimately what can we do here? Simply I am writing ln is equal to 2.303 log. So in place of ln we are writing 2.303 RT upon NF log m by mn plus. In this equation we will put the values of R. What is R? R is gas constant, temperature, number of electrons involved in reaction. This n depends on type of reaction. For this reaction, number of electrons, it is equal to number of charges. See, in this equation, the number of electrons are 2. So the value of n is 2. If we take this reaction, this reduction reaction, so the n is equal to 1. So what is n? N is number of electrons involved in reaction or required for reduction. F, Faraday constant, which has the value 96487 coulomb, or in round figure we can write it as 96500 coulomb. So we can use both values, but for accurate calculation we will use 96487 coulomb. Log, the concentration of solid, it is taken as unity, so it is 1. Mn plus concentration of solution. So you solve this, then you will find the value 0.059. So ultimately, for this is the Nernst equation which was proposed by Nernst. If you solve it further, you will find this value. Okay, so this equation will be used for our calculation. And what is the equation? Electrode potential of cell or of half cell, it is equal to standard electrode potential minus 0.059 divided by n log 1 by mn plus. One more thing here, remember, mn plus here in power, we will write a value which will be equal to the stoichiometric coefficient. Means, for example, for a combined equation, if 2mn plus are used, then definitely the value will be, power will be 2. Here if 3mn plus, then power will be 3. So in next discussion we will see how this equation will be used for our calculation. Okay.